sociology students. So today, I'm going to move myself a little bit up there. Today we're looking at your moral holiday assignment, and this is super fun. I love this. So what is a moral holiday? A moral holiday is when some cultures are allowed to break norms and do something that's completely what we consider not normal at all, right? And so just for example, this young woman is vacuuming outside. That is not a normal thing to do, right? This assignment is really fun and it gives great insight into what is and is not acceptable in our society. And I think, in all honesty, this is probably one of my favorite things that we do, okay? So first off, you're going to choose one social norm to break and then commit to breaking that norm for the whole day, okay? My big major caution, and there's a reason why I have an assignment before this, the big caution is you cannot do anything illegal or dangerous or anything that could harm yourself or harm others, okay? It's supposed to be lighthearted and fun, but also show us some of our big cultural pieces that we've been looking at, okay? So the norm must be broken in public for part of the day. As long as you can is the best it can possibly be, because we want to make sure that we get as many positive and or negative sanctions as possible, okay? So it will help you in the second part of the assignment if you have as many reactions as you can possibly get, okay? So you must complete the outline that's attached here, okay? And you're going to turn that into the assignment to be approved and graded. Basically, once I get that and I give you a grade for it, then you're good to go. You can go on with breaking your norm, okay? So if you wait until Tuesday or wait until like the day before to do this assignment, it might take you a little bit because you may not have enough time, okay? So make sure that you are getting it done like as quickly as possible, okay? So once I've approved your social norm that you will intend to break, you may complete the one-day experiment, okay? And then once the moral holiday experiment is complete, you can move on to the second part of the assignment, assignment 2, which is the paper write-up of your entire experience, okay? Probably one of my favorite ones I've ever heard of is a girl who would say after the end of every conversation with whoever she was talking to for the day, "I love you." And that would be a little, not normal. So if you're, say, at the grocery store and you're buying a gallon of milk and he says that'll be $2.79, and he says, "Thank you, have a great day." She's like, "Thank you, I love you," right? Some strange reactions there. So be creative, try and be outside the box, but again, nothing super crazy, dangerous, or anything like that, okay? Please let me know if you have any questions on the assignment, as always, through the Canvas inbox system. And other than that, I hope you guys have a great time with your moral vacation there, moral holiday.